Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Let's Pack Your Bag, and today we are in Universal, Florida. So we are going towards one of my favorite ride, Cat in the Hat. This area feels like you walked directly into Dr. Seuss' storybook. Nothing is straight, buildings are curved, trees look like cartoons, and everything is bright, playful, and whimsical. Honestly, it's a perfect place to start the day with kids. You can also watch our one full day ultimate guide for Universal Studios and Island of Adventure. Video links are given in description box. Wait time was around 20 minutes. This ride takes you through the entire story of mischievous cat who turns a quiet day into total chaos. The ride vehicles actually spin and glide through the scene, which makes the experience surprisingly fun. At one moment, everything is calm, and then suddenly the whole room starts spins and things starts falling everywhere. The ride vehicle spins and tilts as you move through the story of a messy cat. And after one point of time, I was pretty convinced that this cat is actually a trouble. Check out the full individual POVs of every ride of Universal in our channel. Link is given below in the description box. You can also watch our one full day ultimate guide for Universal Studios and Island of Adventure. Video links are given in description box. This is a classic dark ride and it's a bit trippy experience. It's colorful, slightly chaotic, but I could hear my daughter giggling entire time. So it's definitely a family fun and a lot of spinning. So this was our today's video. If you liked our video, don't forget to press the like button. To join us on this adventurous journey, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great one.